Hi everyone, my name is Lan Yuan, your professional Chinese teacher. Welcome to our course. So today our topic is Chinese holiday. Okay, let's start. Here comes a new characters, which means holiday. 节日, 节日. First, second tone, 节, and then fourth tone, 日, 节日. 节日. First we have, this is Spring Festival. Spring Festival, which called 春节. 春节. 春 means spring. 节 means festival. 春节. 春节. 春节 is in the first day in lunar calendar, so it is different date in every year. So what do we do in Spring Festival? First, 贴春联. 贴春联. 春联 is spring couplet. It's also called couplet, or a pair of antithetical phrases. It is a special and traditional form of literature in China. A spring couplet is composed of two antithetical phrases and put it on both sides of the door, and a horizontal scroll bearing an inscription. And then we have 拜年. 拜年. 拜 here means greeting. 年 means year. 拜年 is an event that people going out to meet and greet their relative, friend, and most of the time people will send gifts to child, and the gift will be a red pocket with some money in it, which is called 红包. 红包. Hong, we just learned it in colors, which means red. Bao is a pocket. Bao, 红包, 红包. And then we have 祭祖. 祭祖. 祭 means worship. 祖 means ancestor. So this is ancestor worship. 祭祖. 祭祖. In Western country, most of the people are shopping in Christmas, and in China, people shop in Spring Festival. And we call it 买年货. 买年货. 买 means buy. 年 year, new year. 货 commodity. 买年货. 买年货. Then we have 清明节. 清明节, which officially called Term Sweeping Day. Term Sweeping Day. But in fact, the literal meaning of these two characters is not term sweeping. 清 here means clear. Ming means bright. This holiday, it falls as a turn of mid-spring and late spring. The weather during this period is very cool and comfortable. So Ching Ming is a very good time for going out, walk around. It is both a natural solar term and a traditional festival. The first thing we will do in Qing Ming is 扫墓. This literally means tomb sweeping. 扫 means sweeping. 墓 means tomb. 扫墓. 扫墓. And then we have another thing. 放风筝. 放风筝. Or 放风筝. Both okay. 放风筝. 放 means release something. 风 is wind. 风筝 means kite. 放风筝. 放风筝. 扫墓. Third tone. 扫. 扫墓. 扫墓. 放风筝. 放风筝. And then this is 端午节, which we call it Dragon Boat Festival. Also, you can call it 端午 Festival. It's like on the fifth day of the fifth month according to lunar calendar, and it is marked by eating 粽子. 粽子, glutinous rice wrapped by bamboo leaf. It is very delicious. 粽子, 粽子, 粽子. Remember, this is light tone. 粽子, 粽子. And then the event is called 划龙舟. 划龙舟. 划 means row a boat. 划, second tone. 划. 龙 means dragon. 舟, boat. 划龙舟. 划龙舟. Okay? 吃粽子. 吃 means eat. 吃粽子. 划龙舟. And the fourth, 中秋节. 中秋节, which is Mid-Autumn Festival. In this holiday, people gather around with their families and enjoy the moonlight. People eat 月饼, which means mooncake in this type. 月饼. 月饼. 月 means moon, 饼 means cake. 月饼. 月饼. Look, they're eating 月饼. Traditional 月饼 is so sweet, so not many people like to eat it. Nowadays, it's just as a form of gift sitting around during autumn festival, during Mid-Autumn Festival, but not many people like to eat it. So some shop come up with some interesting idea to sell ice cream mooncake, and another very interesting mooncake. And then we have 国庆节, national holiday. 国庆节. 国庆节. This is not traditional holiday, but a very important holiday of China, which have about 8 days, and it is celebrating the forming of New China, which is lie on October 1st. And the most important event on that day is military parade, which we call it 阅兵. 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 And then we have another two very important holiday, which is all national. The first one is 五一劳动节. 五一劳动节. This is a memorial date for a very well-known work strike in America. And in that day, we have about 5-day holiday. We call it 劳动节. 劳动 means working. 五一, 5, 1, and 5 literally just mean January, February, May. And E means the first, so it is just like May Day. It's the same. 劳动. 劳动 means working. 劳动节, you can just say 劳动节 or 五一劳动节, both okay. And then we have Children's Day. 六一, it is the date of it. 儿童 means children. 儿童节. 3, second tone. 儿童节. 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 So this is a course today. Hope you enjoy. So now it's our time to review the new words today. First, 节日. 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 Remember first, second, then fourth. 节日. Then 春节. 春节 flat, then second. 春节. 清明节. 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 Then 端午节. 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 中秋节. 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 国庆节. 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 劳动节. 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 儿童节. 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 贴对联. 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 拜年，拜年，拜年。买年货，买年货。吃粽子，来头，吃粽子。划龙舟，划龙舟。And then 扫墓，扫墓，扫墓。放风筝 or 放风筝，放风筝。月饼，月饼，月饼，月饼。So this is the new characters and words today. Hope you enjoy our class. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, go through our website. If you have any suggestion, just comment below. Thank you for watching and please check the homework. Goodbye.